I'm going to break down the structure of an abstract and show you how to read it so that you can know quickly whether or not a specific journal article is going to be relevant to you, rather than wasting your time. Each abstract has 5 parts to it. The first section is where the real-world context is introduced of the study. So what is it and why does it matter? At the outset, this first sentence is great at cancelling out a lot of research for us. We'll read it and we'll go, hey, this journal article is not for us. But sometimes it can be misleading, and it's not until we get later on into the abstract that we can discover that it wasn't appropriate for our research that we were looking for, and potentially that we've wasted time. So after that first section, that introduction of the real-world context, we then get into the aim of what this particular study did. What were they covering? After that, there'll be 1 to 2 sentences, the method or on their results. So what did they discover? And then it will come back into it highlighting what their main discovery or key finding is. So the results can feel a little bit more like numbers or less important to us, whereas that final section will focus in more on what they discovered in terms of their key findings. So how does it matter to us? Are there practical applications, or does it fill a particular knowledge gap, and is that helpful for what we're looking for? So when you're first looking at an abstract to see if this paper is going to be relevant to you, there's 2 key parts here. The first is that real-world context when it introduces the study. Ignore those middle sections and jump straight down to the bottom, which you would then expect this part of their abstract, you would expect them to go into a lot more detail in their discussion. If you want an effective way to store all the journal articles that you're searching through to see if they're relevant to you but haven't decided yet, then watch this video here where I explain how to use Google Scholar to your best advantage.